This motivation for us is I think we get far on the street. Please, I'm just going to be the
Respect the judges, family students and all those of the Bachelor of American Language. At the same time, I am standing in front of judges from this state and Kevin Bond. For after all I'm going to hold this story by saying, never, ever give up. What do you do when the father chooses you? What do you do when something goes up on the doorstep? God did not directly cause, choose, or immediately anticipate. Life is not always easy. In fact, some of you today are here and you're going through those things of life. There will be seasons while we suffer. There will be seasons of pain. And the question is, how will you respond in those moments? Life is hard sometimes. Easy is not easy. But it's worth fighting. It's worth believing. It's worth giving yourself a chance. It's worth letting yourself up, standing outside yourself. It's worth fighting, relentlessly, never giving up. It's worth it. You can do it. You can do it. That's the problem. Some go through that road, but rush, worry and excited, but you might be the version of life. I want to encourage you. It's not about what's happening around you. It's always about what's happening inside of you. Just because you love it, doesn't mean you have to be upward. Just because you feel good, doesn't mean you have to be going. Just because one thing doesn't mean you have to love you. The sentence out loud is the story that you are putting out. Now, what I mean? Alright, let's take it off. Business is never coming back. You have got so many people. I never do understand. I remember nobody got nothing. I didn't do any marketing. I don't know what came out of the mouth. But the pen, that's it. And I do continue to go with it. And don't surprise when it becomes a little bit. I've been able to do that. Whenever I see a dead sentence, I must speak. I must speak. Oh. I'm gonna keep going up. I'm gonna get back up. Never give up. Never give in. Because skill can't get you past certain things. Weakness, again, you're gonna have mental toughness. Permanent. Your pain ain't permanent. Come on. Try to remember. This is not the first time you cried. This is not the first time you were short of breath. This is not the first time you didn't see a way to live. This is not the first time your heart was broken. This is not the first time your heart was broken. This is not the first time you don't have enough money. Say, I'm gonna live to tell the story. This too shall pass, I will remain. I'm gonna cry. Every one of my brothers, there is a blessing gonna say. Please cry! If you don't cry, you will win, baby. You're gonna get through this. You're gonna get up. You're gonna get this. You're gonna get up. What you have been called to be. You're gonna do what you have been called to do. You're gonna be what you have been called to do. You're gonna get up. You're gonna get this. You're gonna get out. And then you're gonna do what you have been called to do. You're gonna if you got anything left to give, just shout up.
this program. So, guys, be patient. You be prepared. He wasted his time. Even when he stand in front of his father and his mother, he feels something. So, don't you... Malik Jangan, and Wallah, guys, let us not have a